calculate the resultant magnitude and the direction of the vector sum a plus b. And we have two vectors, a and b here. So first we need to add them, and we've been given angles. So this means we'll be able to work this out mathematically. We don't have to draw a scale diagram, but we do need to start by drawing them correctly. So we have vector A, its magnitude's 8. Now to add B, we have to draw it on the end of A. It's at 70 degrees. Now it's 6, so it's shorter than A. So it doesn't need to be exact, but I want to make it look like it's shorter than A, because then I'm going to get a better idea of where my resultant vector is sitting, and that will give me a better way of checking my answer. Does it make sense? So this would be A plus B. That's my resultant. So let's label our diagram so it's going to make it easier. Let's make that angle A because it's opposite vector A. Make this angle B opposite B. So let's label our C as being our resultant. What do we know? We're going to be able to use trig to solve this, but we need more angles. So we have this 70 degrees here, which means this angle in here has to be 20 degrees because it has to add to 90. We know that's 30, so using alternate angles, that has to be 30. So that means this angle in here is 60 degrees because of a 90 degree angle. So that means this whole angle here is 80 degrees. So now we have A, we have B, we have the angle in between, and we need to find C. So we'll be able to use our cosine rule for this. So magnitude, let's write our cosine rule where we're finding C. Let's plug in our information. Let's go to our calculators. So C is approximately the square root of 83.33, which is approximately 9.13. So there's our magnitude. Now for our direction, we're going to have to work out this angle here, so theta. So if I work out my angle B, that will help me with that. And I can use my sine rule, sine B over B, and I've got my angle C, so sine C, and I have my sine C. Plug in our information. So to get sine B on its own, multiply both sides by 6. So sine B is approximately 0.65. Make sure you're using your answer on your calculator. Don't just put 9.13 in there. We want to be as accurate as possible. So B is approximately inverse sine of 0.65. So that's approximately 40.34 degrees. So let's draw a diagram of what we have. This is 30 degrees. All of this is 40.34 degrees. So that means this bit here is 10.34 degrees. So now I can work out my theta. Theta is approximately 90 minus 10.34 degrees. So approximately 79.66 degrees. Therefore, A plus B is approximately 9.13. Now, we don't have units, so we could write units with approximate direction south 79.66 degrees east or 100.34 degrees true. Now, to get this 100.34 degrees true, that's our true bearing, which is from here to here, so from north down, so that's 180 minus 79.66, which is approximately 100.34 degrees true.